Hi again, this is Arthur, and we'll continue our course with analyzing several different types of interface that you might be asked to design. First goes portals. Let These web interfaces are very content oriented, and because the tremendous amount of information they provide, the interfaces are more likely designed in minimal style. This is not just a tradition, trust me, this is due to two main reasons. Firstly, minimalistic elements have less effect on the interactions with the content itself. Colorful call to actions and huge banners will prevent user from reading and concentrating on the information on the screen. Secondly, while designing these, besides of course readability, you need to concentrate on the scalability of the resource. Keep in mind that content type as well as concept itself may change, and thus try to prepare for various length of headings, body text, and buttons. Try to see the future of this project. So reducing graphics actually helps to create a very flexible design. In any case, clarify the specs with your client by asking relevant questions, but besides, ask yourself what would probably change here in a year or two. Maybe you'll have an idea how to prepare for this development with less damage to your design. Next, the most frequently requested type of UI we see today is corporate websites. Not all of these could be put in one pool, but most of them have the same features. And to start, I think it is essential to point out that companies' websites should be consistent with the corporate identity, meaning you should use corporate colors, fonts, and logo if they exist. Another important factor is age group. Here, you may recall our previous lesson about humanity, right? Just put yourself in auditory shoes. Imagine if you were a potential user. What would you appreciate? What would be of value for you? Companies' websites should clearly indicate the company's specialization of area of expertise. It should have an easy access to all necessary pages like services and prices and contacts. Today, many of these websites have long home pages and several inner pages. In my opinion, this type is the most easiest to design. Another type of web interface called promo page. Technically, it has a small difference with corporate website, but this case it is created for short-term product or offer. Usually these websites are made using cutting-edge web technologies as well as contain a lot of graphics and images of a high quality. They play the image role of brand or trademark or product like cars, new devices, and so on. Sometimes these UIs can be animated to engage user to interact with the interface. One sad thing about these interfaces is their short lifetime. Promo page has no standard rules as only one to stand out in our memory.